Hey everybody, Matt here from Still As Life, and today I wanted to take you through setting up MetaMask to use the Binance Smart Chain. Now what that means is you can transact on the Binance Smart Chain instead of the Ethereum network for transactions of Ethereum and other tokens that are compatible with BEP20 transfers that occur on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, if that all sounds awfully complex, the simple reason why you might want to do this is transaction fees are a lot lower on Binance Smart Chain network transfers than they are directly on the Ethereum network. Binance Smart Chain is also very fast, and using that network, you can participate in liquidity programs that are operated by platforms like Bakery Swap. So that's pretty cool. And right now, one good reason is with the Ethereum 2 and the Binance Ethereum tokens, BETH, you can actually begin utilizing those on the Bakery Swap platform, but only on the Binance Smart Chain. So it's really worth setting up a wallet that you can access through MetaMask. Now, just before we jump into it, a couple of quick things. One, this is not financial advice or anything like that. This is literally just how to set up your MetaMask wallet so that it can talk to the Binance Smart Chain network. All right. Second, if you are not already trading on Binance, check out my referral links down in the descriptions. That will give you a discount of 10% off all of your trades, which that percentage can add up, especially when you combine that with the discount that you get for paying for your trading fees using BNB tokens. So check that out. Also, check out the referral links down in the description for Crypto.com and Celsius. And now let's move on to actually setting up MetaMask on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm assuming you've already got MetaMask installed in your browser. I'm going to do it in the Brave web browser. You can also do it exactly the same way in Chrome. It's up to you which one you're using, and it works identically regardless. So let's jump into our browser and have a look at it. All right, so just before we jump into actually configuring the Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask, we need to know what the RPC URL is. And so you can get that from this site here, docs.binance.org/smart-chain/developer/rpc.html. Now, we need one of these. I would suggest using one of the recommended ones, and I would also go with the one that's actually a .binance.org URL. So I'm just going to copy that. Go to your MetaMask extension in your web browser and click on that, and then click on your user icon for your account, go to settings, scroll down to networks, and then click this blue add network button. Now this is all the things that we need to configure. So we need to give the network a name, so I'm going to call it Binance Smart Chain. We need our RPC URL, which we just copied. In our chain ID, this is 56. And for our currency symbol, we'll call it BNB. And the Block Explorer URL is https://bscscan.com. Now that we've got all of those entered, we can go ahead and press the Save button, and it'll go ahead and connect to the Binance Smart Chain. You can see it here down the bottom. If we click on it, we can see all those details we just entered, and if there was any issues, we can correct them. We can head back out now to our account. If we go up to our network list now, we can choose what network we want to use, and so we can transact on the Binance Smart Chain now, or we can switch back to the Ethereum mainnet. So that's it. You've now got the Binance Smart Chain set up on your MetaMask wallet. Now you can begin transacting with lower network fees using BEP20 compatible tokens. So that's it for me for today. I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And also head down to the description to get those referral links and start getting a 10% discount on your exchange fees with Binance. as well as up to $75 in CRO on Crypto.com, and also a sign up bonus on Celsius. That's it for me for now. I'll see you later.